Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to the Kringle community all over the world. Wherever you are, whatever your time zone, guys, happy new month to the Kringle community. Happy new month to everyone watching and listening to this broadcast. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonolu and also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, we are happy to see the month of August. Month of August. It has not been easy, but God has given us the grace to see this wonderful month. And especially to the Kringle community, I say congratulations to everyone, especially to our able admin for the success of achieving the culture. 11,111 core team members, and also for achieving the backup team. And gradually, the third team is getting filled up. So, guys, and to the entire members of the community, congratulations. Thank us for making this indeed a memorable landmark for us. Guys, don't forget today by 4 p.m. we shall also be having our mass adoption training where we meet with our able admin. So, guys, don't forget 4 p.m. West African time. Come and learn, come and get trained. And to other members of the community, for as many who were able to take the opportunity, the advantage of the 1,000 Christmas in July gift promo. Congratulations to everyone, guys. Yes, well done, well done. And to others who are coming on the way and you are just watching this broadcast, no dull moment. So come on board, don't relax. Stop procrastinating. Come on board, join us, and let us make this world a better place. So, guys, this is just a greetings and a shout out. I wish you all happy new month. This month will be a wonderful month for us all. Don't forget, go out to prospect. Abundance cannot be self-contained. So it's for all. Let's go out there. Let's tell our loved ones, our family members, our friends, our acquaintances, our colleagues that yes, there is a community of love and respect where abundance is available. Bring them in and let us promote, let us take the community to our desired avenue of what? Of reaching a 1 billion members minimum. So, guys, let us give that wealth in our wallets a real and solid liquidity. Thank you all. Till I come here again, don't forget, this is the beginning of another new month. Start paying your program fee for the month of August. Start paying your program fee. Thank you all. Bye for now.